machines. I will be here to introduce these machines.
Behind me is two fiber laser cutting machine area. I will be here to introduce you the machines.
Behind me is a fiber laser welding machine area. I will be here to introduce you these machines.
Leave your message or inquiry.
Free proving service.
Free gift, big discount.
Welcome to follow Baisheng.